If you are waiting for that one person to reach out, if you feel that urgency in your chest and you need to hear from them right now, this is your emergency signal. We aren't waiting days or even hours. We are shifting your frequency to received in the next 5 minutes. Before we begin, I want you to type SP's name is calling me now to claim this energy and signal to the universe that you are ready. Now take a deep breath and exhale the doubt. Now imagine their phone is in their hand and your name is on their mind. Visualize their name on the screen. Feel the vibration of your phone in your hand. This isn't a possibility, it is an inevitability. Relax your shoulders. Now say these affirmations out loud or in your mind. They are typing a message to me right now. My energy is irresistible to them at this very moment. They feel a sudden, intense urge to hear my voice. Every doubt they had is vanishing, replaced by a need to call me. I am the only person they want to talk to right now. My phone is a magnet for their incoming communication. They cannot stop thinking about our last conversation. They are looking at my photo right now, feeling a deep pull. The universe is clearing every block between us instantly. My energy is ringing in their ears like a bell. They are picking up their phone specifically to find my name. I am worthy of an immediate loving response. They are hit with a wave of nostalgia that forces them to reach out. My manifestation is manifesting in the physical world now. Communication between us is effortless and lightning fast. They feel a ping in their heart every time they think of me. I am receiving the incoming call notification any second now. They realize they cannot go another minute without speaking to me. My frequency is perfectly aligned with their notification sound. They are hitting send with total confidence. I am calm because I know the call is already on its way. The digital pathways are open and clear for us. They are formulating the perfect words to say to me right now. I am a priority in their mind and on their phone. Our connection is stronger than any distance or silence. They feel an emergency need to connect with my energy. The silence is breaking and the sound of my ringtone is coming. I am receiving the exact communication I desire. They are acting on their impulse to call me immediately. The call is mine. The message is here. It is done. Feel it. Don't hope for it. Feel the phone vibrate. Feel the relief wash over your body as you see their name. That emergency feeling is gone. It's replaced with absolute certainty that you are chosen, you are heard, and you are connected. The tension has left your body because the bridge has been built. You are no longer waiting. You are simply allowing the 3D world to catch up to this truth. Now keep this energy high. Type "it is mine" in the comments to lock in this frequency. Stay in this space of knowing. And if you want to accelerate this process and manifest them even faster, head over to joybyjanell.com right now. I have specific tools and deep dive resources there to ensure your manifestations never get stuck impending again. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.